COVID was at its height, what we did as a couple is we got in our car and went sightseeing everywhere together. And so we just went all over South Carolina and visited every corner of the state that we could find and explored everywhere.
We left a cruise, and when you go on a cruise, there's a lot of walking on the ship. And it was hard for me to get around as quickly as I did. It was every day that I had shortness of breath, went to the gym, couldn't do the treadmill, but just a couple of minutes. And it was just very difficult for me to do the things that I wanted to do.
I had the heart pains probably for a couple of years, and they simply got worse as time went on. When I'm digging in the garden with a shovel and you're having chest pains, you get a clear indication that you have got a problem somewhere, somehow.
For me to find out that I could have the procedure, period, was extremely exciting. If I had to do open heart, I probably would have kept postponing it, but to know that I could get it done with the TAVR was very exciting for me.
It was a tremendous relief. They explained all of the procedure, the equipment that would be used, and who was going to be working on me as far as the anesthesia, as far as the doctors and the standby doctors. When I woke up, immediately, absolutely immediately, you could tell the blood flow was better, I felt better. It was a tremendous relief to know that I had a new lease on life. It's very important to me to be here in Spartanburg with a facility like Spartanburg Regional, because it is above average. It is absolutely terrific. And having traveled a great deal and seen what other places have to offer, no, Spartanburg is just perfect as far as I'm concerned.
After I had the procedure, according to the tests that we had done, everything's functioning the way it should be. And I know that it's functioning well because I'm able to do those things I wasn't able to do before. I can actually go on tours, do walking, going up and down steps. My life is so much better having had the TAVR.